Energia Etiche was founded in 2010 to promote an eco-innovative idea in aeolic energy. The mission of the company is to provide a service able to cut down the time frames and costs involved in the evaluation of wind production from the existing 12 to 18 months to about 2 months using custom-built hardware and software which are currently patent pending. This innovation can be exported abroad and into the maxi aeolic market as well. Data obtained through such an innovative service will be certified and acknowledged by banks, granting access to funding. In order to develop and launch the innovation on the market, Energia Etiche is currently considering scientific, industrial, and financial partnerships.